Hello friends, welcome back to Odoo Hub. In today's video, we are going to learn how to configure Odoo 19 with PyCharm, which we installed in previous video. So first, open PyCharm, then locate your Odoo 19 project and open it. As you can see, currently no interpreter is selected. Click on Add New Interpreter, then select Add Local Interpreter. Here you can see all the available Python versions. For Odoo 19, we select Python 3.12 and click OK. This will create a new .venv folder for our project. Click on Edit Configuration, then click on the plus icon and select Python. Here we need to give a name. So I will enter Odoo 19. Next, we need to select the script. So locate and choose Odoo bin. After that, select the current working directory. Now we need to pass the config file as a parameter. So I will add a odoo19.config. Once that done, click apply and then click OK. Since we added odoo19.config in the parameters, we now need to create that file. Create a file with same name. To save time, I have already pasted some parameters here. For the admin password, you can enter any admin password you want. For DB host and DB port, you need to enter your database configuration. If you are not sure about this, open pgadmin. Right click on your server and open properties. Under the connection tab, you will find the host and port details. Next, enter DB user and DB password. In the previous video, we already created the Odoo 19 user and I am using the same password here. Now, for advanced path, we need to provide the advanced directory path. To get this easily, click on the advanced directory and press Ctrl Shift C, or you can manually copy and paste the path. Now that we have added the config file in the parameters, let's run the project. As you can see, it shows an error. This is because we created a new interpreter and we haven't installed the required libraries yet. To fix this, open the terminal and run the following command: pip install -r requirements.txt. This file already comes with the Odoo 19 installation. Press enter and it will start installing all the required libraries. This may take a few minutes. As you can see, all the required libraries have been successfully installed. You can also verify this using pip list command. Now, let's run our project again. As you can see, our project is successfully running on workspace 8069. Open your browser and enter same URL. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Now, we need to create a database. Enter the admin password that we added in the Odoo 19 config file. Then enter your database name, email, and password. You can also choose whether to load demo data or not. Click on Create Database. As you can see, Odoo 19 is now running successfully. If you face any issue during installation or configuration, feel free to reach out to us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Odoo 19 development tutorials. Thanks for watching.